So I was getting ready to do my nails, y'all, but I wanted to share with y'all some of my favorite nail products that I use on a regular. And y'all know I'm currently a press-on girl. Y'all, it's in the 30s here in Memphis, so excuse my little floor heater. I had to use it along with the heat because it is super cold in this office to me. I'm pretty sure I'll warm up as I continue to talk to y'all, but right now I gotta keep it on, okay? So one thing definitely that's always available anywhere, alcohol. I use on a regular with my nail situation because I sterilize my tools. I clean my products off with it. I also prep my nails sometimes with it. Alcohol. This little bottle contains alcohol. I just poured in this spray bottle because it's easy to utilize in that, okay? Another thing that's really great, especially since I use press-ons, or if you use gel polish or any kind of nail enhancements, I prep my nails, and I do prep them. Sometimes I use a dehydrator. Most times I just use alcohol. And I also use this Model 1's nail primer. I've had this one for a while. I think they've changed the bottle now, but nail primer is great when you need something to bond to your natural nails. And if you're using like UV gel lamps and so forth, okay? So this is great. Love this. I'll list everything in my Amazon storefront or even individually linked down in the description box if you would like to pick up any of these things, okay? They will be listed for you. Now, currently my favorite press-on nails, let's turn this the right way. I use the Canvalite. I think that's how you pronounce it. They are designed with a super durable like gel system, so I love them. They are so amazing. This style I love. This is the coffin shape here, coffin shape French, and all I do with this, I do put on a gel polish on top and cure it once I press these on. Here's another style I use from Canvalite, which is this short almond shape style. Love these as well, and you get so many of them for the price, y'all. Very affordable. These are on Amazon as well. You get 15 different sizes, so there shouldn't be a reason why you can't find your size, okay? Unless you just really have large nail beds. These have worked amazing for me. Love them so much, and so durable. I can keep these on for weeks, honestly speaking. Now the other brand I use is Rosalind. These are also a very durable gel-like or acrylic. I'm not sure. I don't even know. Is it gel or acrylic? Talk to me and let me know. Let me know. Can it tell me what it's made of? Acrylic. These are acrylic, and I love this particular style, and I love the length on these almond shaped nails. You get a bunch in here too. You get like 20 sizes, 200 pieces, which is amazing. And again, the shape is an almond shape. Love them so much. You got other sizes and styles if you check out Amazon for Rosalind. Now some of my favorite top coats. This one, Model 1's, has always been it. Love this. She is that girl. Love it. Clear top coat for when I put on my press-ons and I want to give them that shine or that durability or that long-lasting power if they have a design on them. This is what I use majority of the time. Another fave of mine is the Madam Glam Soak Off Golden, this gold flake gel top coat. It's of course clear, but it looks like that. It has the gold flakes when I want to just kind of, you know, give it that va-va-voom on my nails, which I think I just took off the press-ons and I had this top coat on there. Now this is a top coat. It's not the gel polish itself, it's the top coat. Well, gel. Yeah, that's it. Now for my toes, I no longer use gel polish on my toes. Y'all, that is not a good thing. I don't know how many people can still use it, but for me and many others, gel is just a no-no. It's not working because it's just deteriorating nails. So I use now a fast dry, long-lasting nail polish. This one is a quick dry nail polish. It's called Open Live nail polish. This one is red. I've had that for a minute. I used it during the holiday time a lot. Probably we use it Valentine's on the toes. Red toes is my thing right now. Most times they're white, but right now they are red. And I love this one. It dries super fast and I love it. So check it out. Again, most of these items will be on Amazon and I will list them out in the description box for you, okay? Somewhat along those lines is my top coat. It's a quick dry top coat. It's what I use on my toes. Again, I use no gel polish at all on my toes. Strictly a quick dry nail polish or top coat, and that is what this is. It's called, excuse me, top coat quick dry, and I used to use another one, but I switched over to this one, and it says here it dries instantly. Now this one I have not officially used it yet, but I'm just going to assume it's like my other one that I had, which was, I don't know, I think Mia's Secret was the brand I used to use, but I decided to get this big bottle. Of course, yes, this is a big, huge bottle of polish. Okay, so hopefully it'll last me a long time, but of course, you know, it's a quick dry, so therefore it probably will dry or get thick before I finish the entire bottle. Now, I talked about press-ons, but what I use to secure and glue on my press-ons is the Macart nail glue. Y'all, this stuff is the truth. It is the truth. It is a brush on glue, and I have used it now for a couple of years, been loving it, and will never switch over unless I just run across something that works grand. I hate those little tubes that you have to squeeze on. This is my preference right here. Macart. If you need nail glue, this is the girl to get, Macart. Something that I've been raving about for years has been the Cuccio Natural Luxury Spa Cuticle Revitalizing Oil. I use the Milk and Honey, and baby, she's that girl. I love her. She has a little tilt on her, so that's how she's leaning, like so. Love this. Drop it on. I use this throughout the day to nourish my nails. Y'all, get you some of this. Really great for your cuticles, great for your skin, great, just overall great. Cuccio Natural Luxury Spa Cuticle Revitalizing Oil. That's her right there. You see her? Okay, got it. Okay. Now, another product, I don't even know if they even make Nail Addict anymore. I don't know, but I love their nail polishes. These are gel polishes. I use Madame Glam, or I use Nail Addict, or I also use Model 1 nail polishes all the time. This group right here is always either on my nails, on my toes, etc., etc., just to let y'all know. Okay, I'm going to have to insert a picture of this cuticle remover that I use. And honey, this one is a great one. I want to say it's by like Blue Cross or something like that, but here it is on the screen. You'll see it for yourself. But I just put it in this easy little bottle that I got from Amazon, and you know, it helps me to just dab it right onto my cuticles. And while we're sitting here, let's go ahead and do that now. But this is some good stuff for getting those cuticles smoothen out and get all that rough edge off of them. Love it. Very simple to do. I'll try to list this bottle as well in case you want to do yours like this when you pick up your cuticle remover. And yeah, and actually, you know, I don't even feel any pain, or some of them sting and all of that. This one does not. It just softens them up so you can easily maneuver them and clip them, whatever you need to do. This is the biz. Okay, see, they look better already. How about that? Now let's talk about some tools. I use these regularly, these little buffers. They are great for smoothing out the nails, filing the nails. I mean, these are even great for calluses a little bit. You know, you can do a little buffing on your feet and so forth. Love these. I'll have those listed for you. Now, the Tachi Bell, these are the disinfectable, washable nail files that I love so much. You get a medium side and a rougher side. I am in love with these. These are so durable and they last for a good long while. And again, since you can disinfect them and wash them, they are perfection. Now these are mixed match, but I use something like this to pop off my nails now, and I use that to push back my cuticles. If I have any rough edges on my nails that I need to scrape off, this is perfect for that. I'll have some similar tools listed below for you all to check out. And of course I do use clippers, but these are not actually the ones that I use. Where are my clippers? I don't know, but I will put them on the screen, the little kit that I have for my nail clippings and all of that. But overall, this is the stash, y'all. This is the stash. But I will have everything listed below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And hey, always keep your hands, your feet looking good. And I'm going to help you do that. Bye. See